Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. If you're stopping by for the first time, I really appreciate you clicking on this video. Today's video is a very simple DIY using rosemary herbs. Rosemary is known to help promote hair growth, but you need to know the right way to prepare rosemary herbs in order for it to help you grow your hair. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most effective and simplest way to prepare rosemary herbs to get all the nutrients from it. But hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So I started by washing my rosemary herbs. It is very important you wash your herbs. These fresh rosemary herbs usually have a lot of dirt, bacteria, and other stuff that you don't want in your hair on them. So washing them is so important. I usually wash mine twice to get rid of all the dirt. So once my rosemary herbs is all clean, I'm going to add it to the pot of water I put on the stove. I'm going to allow this to boil for about 5 minutes. Rosemary herbs has so many nutrients that are great for our hair growth. Rosemary can stimulate blood flow to the scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. If you have issues like dandruff, itchiness, and other stuff going on your scalp, using rosemary on your scalp can get rid of all of that. Rosemary herbs can also prevent hair breakages, hair fall, hair shedding. This natural ingredient is so powerful. You just need to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and also the best way to prepare this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you are not skipping any part of this video and you are watching to the end. So after boiling my rosemary herbs for about 5 minutes, I set it aside and allow it to cool down. At this time, I'm going to transfer the rosemary water into a mason jar. There is no specific measurement to this recipe. It all depends on the quantity you are making. This is a natural ingredient. Too much or too less wouldn't harm you in any way. So once you put the rosemary water in the mason jar like so, you are still going to put the rosemary herbs into the mason jar. You are then going to cover this and set it aside overnight. This will allow the rosemary herbs to infuse more with the water to extract all the nutrients in these herbs. You don't want to throw any nutrient away with the herbs. So you're going to leave it sitting overnight. You can leave this on your counter, in your cupboard, anywhere that is safe, and just let it sit. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so after 24 hours, I strained my rosemary water. This hair growth spray is ready. It has all the nutrients you need. At this point, I'm adding my DIY rosemary oil to this recipe. If you want to know how I make this rosemary hair growth oil, comment below and I'll make sure to upload the recipe for you. I added about a tablespoon of my rosemary oil. You can feel free to add any oil of your choice: rosemary oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, just to mention a few. Once you are done, you are going to transfer it into your spray bottle or any bottle that you have available. Your DIY rosemary hair spray is all ready. This is packed with nutrients that can help promote hair growth and prevent hair shedding. You are going to apply this directly on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. Apply this at least 4 times a week. Leave it in, you don't have to rinse it out. You are also going to follow with a leave-in conditioner as well as a hair moisturizer. If you consistently use rosemary on your hair, you will see that it is going to improve the texture of your hair. If you have scalp issues, you see that it is going to help get rid of them. And if you are trying to grow your hair, it is going to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you're going to try at home. And also make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you can watch my next video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you in my next one.